FORMSTACK has helped us achieve great results by taking paper processes or manual processes and turning them into digital experiences that are easy for our customer. We're able to consolidate all of these processes and data collection into one seamless product that makes our lives easier and our customers' lives easier. If everyone can be happy and have an easier day and easier time getting to our game and enjoying our experience, that's the number one goal for us. My name is Kyle Judkins. I'm the Vice President of Entertainment and Technology for the Texas Legends, who are the NBA G League affiliate of the Dallas Mavericks. We are a minor league sports team, and being a minor league sports team, we have a very small staff. And so we were looking for tools that helped us collect information better and streamline that information for us as well as our fans to relieve any pain points for them. Employees were having to collect emails, names, and requests for tickets, all via either paper or email, singular emails. And with FORMSTACK, we were able to, right out of the gate, simplify that process of taking over 5,000 requests and simplify it into one form and one spreadsheet so that we could automate that system as much as possible in our backend. What that did for us was it made it easier and less work intensive. And for our fans, we did not miss or mess up their ticket request. And so that was our first use case with FORMSTACK and got the ground running about 5 years ago, and we've been adding on ever since. FORMSTACK allows us to modify, grow, and enhance our back of house projects while also making the customer experience easier. And so now when people and fans walk into our office to buy tickets, sales reps go right into FORMSTACK, enter all their information, and the tickets are ready for them at the door. So FORMSTACK has allowed us to take over 200 to 300 spreadsheets that we had individually across our computer systems. Each user had one or two, and you had to ask for it from someone else. And with FORMSTACK, we've been able to consolidate that information all in our FORMSTACK account. FORMSTACK also sends us weekly emails that has the data inputted, and we can take that and put it into our other systems as needed. So it's made sure everyone is on the same page with up-to-date and accurate information. When you're looking at problems in your day-to-day business, sometimes you're looking for big problems with big solves. And a lot of times to make those problems easier, you're going to solve little problems with little solves. And the advice from me would be FORMSTACK is a big tool that solves a lot of little problems that gets you a big win. If you follow sports or basketball enough, it's a data-driven sport these days from every level. There's stats everywhere you look. There's data everywhere you look in the major leagues. But when you get into youth sports, it's not there. But we wanted to bring the major league level of data into our youth camps. And so now with FORMSTACK, we were able to evaluate all of our campers every camp week and automatically send them an evaluation data report that rates all of their skills and abilities in a metric chart that tracks them as they progress through our camps, and they can see their progress. And so our camp instructors, all they have to do is input their rating, and on the back end, FORMSTACK gives us a chart, all the data for the parents to have to see how their child is progressing through our Legends camp. I would recommend FORMSTACK to anyone, really. FORMSTACK has products and uses for every nook and cranny of your business and can fit right in with anything that you're doing. It's easy to use, it's simple, it's a robust platform that has all the tools and abilities you can need in a form processor. The customer support is great, and every time you talk to someone from FORMSTACK, they're just happy to help you. They're happy to help you solve your problem or whatever issue you have. And we've loved working with them over the last 5 years and look forward to working with them even further.